Hey guys, how's it going? So, Lordstown Motor stock crashed this morning, and I still plan to buy more Lordstown. I plan to beg, hold, and average down. I could sell, and then I could wait 30 days, and then I could buy, back in, and hopefully at a lower price. But I really like Lordstown, and I feel like it's severely undervalued, and I don't want to sell my shares at these prices. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly average in. So if this stock drops to the low $8, I'm going to buy a small amount of shares. And then if it keeps dropping and dropping and dropping, I'll just keep buying and buying and buying. That's my plan moving forward. This is not financial advice to you guys, but I plan to beg hold. That's my plan moving forward. The lower it goes, the more I buy. So we'll see what happens. Today, Lordstown updated the endurance race, and after this endurance update, it makes me a little bullish, but Bears are attacking the stock in a big way, and I feel like a short squeeze could happen anytime on the stock, as long as there's some positive catalyst news. But I'll play the video and then I'll talk more about it.
At Lordstown Motors, we are creating an electric full-size pickup truck, the Endurance. And even though pickup trucks are the 3 top best-selling vehicles in America, there isn't an electric pickup truck available on the market yet. As we've been creating the Endurance, we've come to realize that the reason for that is probably because pickup trucks are expected to be extremely versatile machines, capable of hauling, towing, and off-roading. To achieve that sort of functionality, we had to invent an electric drivetrain like no other before it. We've been testing our Endurance, and we thought a trip to Baja would be the most extreme off-roading we could find. So we made history by entering the San Felipe 250 race on April 17, 2021. The grueling terrain, the heat, the deep fine sand, the G-forces really tested our hubs, our battery pack, and our frame, all of which worked great. We didn't finish the race because the desert terrain really uses a lot of energy, more than we had anticipated. And so the fast chargers we had brought, we couldn't get one up in the mountain range, so we decided best not to take that leg and possibly block the trail for somebody else. So we charged, and then we went out and continued to test after we dropped out of the race. All that testing before the race, during the race, after the race, all that data makes its way into every Endurance. And later this year, when we come out with an Endurance, you can bet there'll be a little bit of Baja in every Endurance. Thank you. I'm Steve Burns, CEO and founder of Lordstown Motors.
That's a pretty good PR move. But it didn't matter because short sellers are trying to bring the stock price down. I feel like the stock price could go all the way down to $8. The only reason why I don't just sell and then rebuy back in is because I have to wait 30 days, and I feel like the stock could easily pop and have a short squeeze very, very fast. So I'm just gonna hold, and if this thing drops into the low $8, I'm just gonna buy more. And then if it keeps dropping, I'm just going to keep buying and buying and buying. But I'm going to buy it slowly in because, you never know how low this stock price can drop. I'm still very bullish on the company. I feel like it's severely undervalued. But even if I think it's undervalued, it doesn't matter. Stocks are not the company. Stocks can move on whatever, stocks are like its own entity. So we'll see what happens. There's still a huge short position on this. You never know. The GameStop crowd could come in and call this thing undervalued. Maybe Roaring Kitty be like, oh, I'm gonna buy some Lordstown. I don't think he'll do that, But if he did, that would have a huge short squeeze to the upside. You know, we'll see what happens in the future, but you know, I still think that Lordstown could easily have a squeeze any day. But for now, it's probably going to head down to the low $8, I think. But if it does, I'm gonna add more. That's my plan moving forward. You guys can do what you want. None of this is financial advice. So now look at Clover Health, big short squeeze today, $3.58 billion. I don't know what's going on with Clover Health, but it's gone. It looks like it's starting to uptrend right now. Big short squeeze. So I feel like that could happen to Lordstown any day. So I'm gonna hold on, and I'm gonna gamble that eventually there's gonna be a short squeeze on it. I'm just hoping the company continues to execute. You guys also have to realize that most vehicles that enter this race, they don't finish the race. I think there's like 80 vehicles out of like the 300 vehicles that are in the race don't finish. The shit box. Oh wait, I hope I don't get demonetized for saying that. It's like the other EV vehicle, truck. They had a better strategy, but where they swapped out batteries. But it didn't matter because they still didn't even finish the race. They only got 150 kilometers and they were swapping batteries. They didn't recharge. They just swapped. So, you know, it's a tough race. Driving in sand is tough. Driving in normal road conditions, the Lordstown could have 250 miles or maybe a little less. But in on sand, I feel like the Cybertruck probably wouldn't even be able to finish the race. So too bad the Cybertruck wasn't in the race, but no, that would have been cool to see. But hey, whatever, it is what it is. Elon Musk doesn't really need press coverage, so, and Tesla has much better battery technology than Lordstown Motor. So yeah. Dogecoin today up 7 cents, 23.47%. View is down 2 cents today. Funware is up 2 cents today. Still waiting on that wallet. I think that wallet could get delayed. ARC X today is down 17 cents. Could be an opportunity, or maybe it'll just go down. I think ARC is determined on the overall market, and today the market is slightly red, so ARC is slightly red. Kind of makes sense. Bitcoin, Bitcoin today is just kind of sideways action. Coinbase today had is a little bit under pressure, down $9.27. NEO is up $1.33, 3.69%. I'm betting, I don't have Tesla up here, but I'm betting anything that Tesla is up right now. Oh, Tesla's down while NEO's up. Whew. That's a little bit of a shocker. High Tide today is up 2 cents, 2.33%, 2.33%. Hut Mining today is down 27 cents. QU is up 1.5 cents, 4.76%. Bitcoin right now is already talked about it. Voyager Digital today is crash hard, but kind of recovering a little bit. Big digital asset this morning also crashed really hard, but it's kind of volatile right now. Coin is, I already talked about Coin. SOS had an ugly day, but it's still kind of ugly. Mara is down $2.56. Riot Blockchain is down 4.08%. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.